In today's video, I'm going to unveil the Secret Weapon PLR's new content drop for January 2024. If you are a part of the Secret Weapon PLR membership, you get access to a wide variety of digital products with PLR products that you can sell on your website in Etsy. You can use these products as your own, and every month they're always dropping some new content. All right. So I'm going to share with you what that content looks like and how you can be a part of the Secret Weapon PLR. Okay. But before we get into today's content, I would love for you to like this video, also subscribe to my YouTube channel where I'm always talking about PLR. I'm talking about a little AI as well as repurposing content for women entrepreneurs. So come on over and get the notification, hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. But let's get into the church announcements first. If you are not a part of my free daily newsletter, I don't know what you are doing, but you should be. Every Monday through Friday, I send out a daily email giving 3 quick and valuable resources for creating and leveraging your digital products. It's like getting coaching from me quick every single day, was Monday through Friday, and I'm getting some great feedback from it. So come and join 500 plus ambitious women entrepreneurs and receive your daily email. You won't regret it. The link is in the description. Also, you can also go to sharlritadeloatch.com/newsletter. All right. So this month I am hosting a free workshop called Digital Products Fundamentals. If you're listening to me, I would love to meet you. So it's live, so it's not a pre-recorded webinar or workshop. This is something where we get to come on Zoom and we get to meet each other. And I want to teach you. All right. I want to teach you. And also, if you have questions about digital products, this will be the opportunity for us to meet. So it's happening February the 1st, 2024, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're watching this video after February the 1st, you do get an opportunity to get access to the replay. I'm going to put that in the description so you'll be able to do that. Okay. Even if you can't join us live, I'm going to have more of these. So if you can't join us live, you have the opportunity to get the replay. It's absolutely for free. I want to meet you, especially if you're one entrepreneur, where in this workshop, you're going to gain a solid understanding of the various different type of digital products, including ebooks and online courses and downloadable resources. So you can learn how to integrate them into your business strategy. All right. So we have some amazing women that have signed up. I'm so excited. So go to sharlritadeloatch.com/workshop. I also put the link in the description as well. Okay. So let's get into the Secret Weapon PLR. If you are not a part of this amazing membership, it's only $27 a month where you get access to a vast amount of digital products that you can use. You can download them. You can add your branding to it, which I'm heavy on the adding your branding, adding your words and making it you, and you can sell it. So this is the digital products creation that's made easy. Okay. So you don't have to start from scratch. This is a great resource for you to start when it comes to your digital products. And every single month, this is the reason why I will always continue to pay for this membership, because every month there is what we call a limited drop. Okay. So I'm going to talk about that first, the limited drop. Then you have the new products, and then we have what's trending this week. Okay. First, let's talk about what's trending this week. Okay. So every week there is a new digital product that is put into the portal of what's trending. One of the things I love about Evelyn and Jessa, who are the two amazing women that own this membership, so they partner together. One does the content, one does the branding. They have a great, awesome relationship, and they have some amazing tools that they use in their arsenal to let us know what's trending. So, like what's trending on Etsy and what people are looking for. So this week is a photo booth rental form. So if you have a photo booth, here's a rental form. Okay, you got people that's renting out those booths. You know those little I don't know what they're called, but I see them a lot. People own these photo booths where you can spin around. It's like you can spin around. I just can't think of the name of it right now. Let me know in the comments if you know. But this would be great if you can get access to this. When you get access to the membership, you can download it, put your branding on it, put your company name, and there is a form. Okay, so that's what's trending this week. But even if you have a Etsy shop, let's say you have an Etsy shop and you have a brand on your Etsy Etsy shop, you can take this and you can, sell it, as a digital product for other people to use as well. So different ways that you can use that. All right. So that's what's trending this week. And then we have let's go to the new products. So these are the new products that are inside of the Secret Weapon PLR for this month. So you got a bird watcher digital stickers, you got bakery digital stickers, you have a travel Canva highlight covers. Okay. So you have a podcast flyers. So you have a podcast, you have a digital marketing campaign template. All right. So that would be very useful. You have a resume template for high school students. I think I'm going to download that for my daughter. Okay. You have digital marketing audit template, which I absolutely love this. I may use that for myself. You have marriage therapy journal. All right. So there's that. Daycare website. And most of the websites here, well, all of them are via Canva. So if you have a Canva account, you can download this. So if you own a daycare, somebody that does, you can sell this daycare website. You got event planning website template as well. You have a content marketing audit template here. You have a content marketing proposal template. You have the business leadership affirmation. These are cards. You got the business startup affirmation. Those are cards as well. Grit and determination affirmations. You could take these cards, you can add your brand into it, and you can sell. This could actually be a product. They also have in the membership different places you can print your digital products if you decide to want to, have them available for print. You have the poster quotes for kids about kindness. I love this one. You have kindness for kids quote and skills card. You have the client onboarding for travel. You have the bar golf scorecard. You got the road trip bingo kids. You have the child care social media. So if you own a child care, there's some great social media templates right here. You have the spa day social media templates right here. You have the tattoo business social media. Any tattoo artists that are on social medias, they can use these templates. You have the spring cleaning checklist. You have the kids' cell phone contract. That's pretty neat. Might use that on my kids. You have the credit score improvement checklist. So if you're into credit, if you can sell these things on Etsy, guys, and you can make some money. So those are the newest products. If you see anything that pique your interest, let me know in the comments, okay? So that you can definitely get access to these. Okay, so let's go back. And these are the limited edition. Now, what's different from the new products in the limited edition is that these are limited for this month only. So now, well, not this month, from the 15th to the basically like the 14th of the next month. So these are available until the 14th of February. So if you're looking at this video after February the 14th, these are gone. All right. So if you are part of this membership, I will go ahead and download them, which I normally do anyway, because you never know who's going to need it. So you can get access to these limited edition drops. And let's go over these. This is the feminine digital marketer logos. All right. So if you're into the feminine digital marketer, if you're into that, they got the feminine thing going on. You have a mood board for creators. You have a coaching logo templates. You have an Instagram brand identity. So it looks like a card or something. We're going to look at a couple of these too. You got the mood board planner, and then you have the logo guidelines template. So that's great for someone that is into, graphic design. Maybe you provide logos. Well, here is a guideline so that you can share this with your clients. Okay, so let's take a look inside of this guide here. So you got the table of content. So the content is already in here. Let me make this a little bigger for you, but the content is already in here. All right. So, and most of all of them, you get access to Canva. So you have a Canva account. You can have a free Canva account as well. I have Pro. So, with the Pro, you get access to more, more access to things. Okay. So here is the table of contents here. Hopefully you guys can see this. They got an introduction. You can just add your company name here, and it just gives you what the guidelines are. So I'm guessing, I'm not really familiar with this. I'm not a logo designer or a web designer. So if you see something that's very familiar to you, if you don't have this as a part of your web design business or you provide logos, absolutely, this will be great to send to your customers. Now I've seen this before because someone did like a board for me with my, my fonts and my colors and things like that for me before. So I'm familiar with that. And then you have your contact information, your logo. So even if you're using this, you can change this up. So you can remove these here at the bottom if you want, add something else. You can add a different picture here. So if you want to add something different, you can do that there. You can definitely change the colors. All right. So because I have a pro account, my colors are already embedded in here. But I do have other brands as well. So I can add, my other brands colors as well. But I know that even Canva gives you access to other colors here. So if you want to use the other colors, you can. All right. So it gives you, different things that you can do. You know me, I'm always telling you guys, when you're using PLR, you definitely want to make sure that you make changes. Okay. So maybe you could put your logo, your company name, and put logo guidelines here. Okay. So you might want to be able to do that there. So when you always want to make changes. All right. Let's go back and let's see what else. I'm going to give you guys another peek on the limited drops. Again, remember these expire February the 14th. I say the 14th, they're gone because when I got in here the 15th, it was already changed. Okay. So they're very, very on top of that. So, but yeah, this is it great. If you are a graphic designer as well, this would be great for your business. So this is a brand board here. They got the colors there. You can use this, so you can use this for your clients. If you can sell this too, so if you're on Etsy, if you want to make sure to that you're not just selling any digital products. It has to make sense for your business. So if you are a graphic designer, you can sell this to other graphic designers or other branding individuals. You can do that as well. So I like this. This is great. This is kind of sort of like my colors there, except for I don't have all of these, but this is nice. I like this. Okay. So you can get access to these branding boards that you can use, within your business as a digital product. Let's look at one more. Okay. I want to look at this mood board creator. So let's look at this one here. All right. So this is more this month. It looks like and what I love about, like I said, Jessa and Evelyn, is that they're not just putting any products in here. They put in what's trending, what people are looking for so that you can sell them. That's the goal. The goal is to get in the secret weapon PLR. It's not just to pay your monthly fee, but it's about you making money. Okay. And you doing this with ease because you don't have to create anything. This is what I love about PLR. It's like having your foundation done. You know how I tell you guys about writing your books. When you have the outline done, you're good to go. This is like having the outline done, and all you have to do is add your flair to it. So here's some mood boards as well that if you're a graphic designer that you can use for your clients. Okay, so that's that. All right. So again, let me know if you see anything that you like here, and I would love for you to be a part of the Secret Weapon PLR. I absolutely love it. I'm always going to share what they have new this month, and they have some good stuff in here. So come on over here and join if you want to learn more in depth about the Secret Weapon PLR. I have a video displayed here on the screen, so go check that out.